Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
So hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am at the grand launch of Motorola One Power. So this is how the new Motorola One Power looks like. The looks are decent, and this is the first phone of Motorola which has been launched with a notch and it has a massive battery life. So that will be the highlight of this phone. So in this video, let's see the first look of the new Motorola One Power. So this phone will attract a lot of Motorola fans because it has a very good battery life, and the body looks really tough and sturdy. As per the durability of the phone is concerned, it's really nice. So it has a good, a massive 6.2 inches of full HD plus screen with a max vision display, and the bezels are quite slim, and this is the first phone of Motorola with a notch. The notch has a earpiece and the front camera, sensors. As per the weight of the phone is concerned, it is not that heavy, although it has a big battery of 5000 mAh, and that's the highlight of this phone. If we talk about the camera bump, it's a little out, like the bump is there, so the lens might get scratches and all. And at the back you have this fingerprint sensor and the usual buttons and ports here, 3.5 audio jack and a C-type charging port with the speaker grill placed very well. Audio has been enhanced a lot this time. It has a Dolby audio sound. The colors of the screen look quite clear and sharp. It has one more good thing, which is Android One. So Android One is liked by many people because it gives a lot of clutter-free experience with very less third-party apps. But you can see this Android One is a little customized, I think, for Motorola. And just go to About Phone. So currently it has Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, but very soon Motorola has said that it will be updated with Android Pie. So if we talk about the processor, it has a decent processor, which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, which you generally find these days in all the mid-range handsets, and it is although a good processor for multitasking as well as for playing high-end games. So it does not give much lag. Battery, I already told you, it's 5000 mAh with turbocharging technology, so it will take a very less time to charge the phone. So let's just run through the camera. The colors of the look quite bright. So the modes are here. It has photo, portrait and expert mode, and then normal photo, video, ALC flash, HDR, timer, aspect ratio and additional settings. So it has a dual camera setup of 16 plus a 5 megapixel, so you can take good portrait shots. And talking about the front camera, it has a 12 megapixel front camera. The phone is AI based, so it will adjust the lighting conditions. Overall, the phone has an AI engine, not only in the camera but in other segments of the phone as well. So you can see right now it's in the portrait mode and it is blurring out the details behind my back. So let's run through some of the pictures. I just tried to click here on the launch event. I am liking the selfies. Can you see the details are quite nice and the colors look very vibrant and crisp. So overall you can say it's a decent phone at this price range. Looks tough and with a good battery life and a decent camera specs. So friends, this was the all new Motorola One Power in front of you. It has been launched at a very aggressive pricing of 15,999. Although outside India it was launched for 25k around. But in India, it had to be launched at that segment because in India it has a lot of competition to face with Xiaomi, Honor, Poco and many other brands. The Motorola One Power is a Flipkart exclusive handset. The registrations for this phone start from today itself, from 24th of September, and the sale starts from 5th of October, 12 noon. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.